Ready to cook like a pro in the wild? From portable pizza to all-in-one camp kitchen, these 15 camping cooking tools will transform your outdoor meals. Whether you're grilling, baking, or preparing, this gear takes your camp cooking to next level. 15. Trailfire 4-in-1 Grill. Meet the ultimate multi-cooker for the outdoors. The Trailfire 4-in-1 Grill is not merely a grill, but a BBQ, wok, pizza oven, and fire pit all in a small system. The 201 square inch grill area easily grills a batch of burgers or hot dogs. Turn the carbon steel wok lid over to stir fry, or even cook pizza under convection heat. It uses propane of 50,000 BTU, which provides intense heat either to cook or warm. And it is USFS approved and safe where wood fires are prohibited. This is ideal to campers who seek versatility without bearing a number of tools. 14. OZtrail All-in-One Camp Kitchen. The OZtrail All-in-One Camp Kitchen turns your camp into an outdoor kitchen. It is made of powder-coated steel frame, making it strong and long-lasting. MDF benchtop has a maximum weight of 30 kilograms, which is enough to prepare meals. It has a stove rack, dishwashing station, pantry storage, hooks, and lantern pole. It has 2.5 meters of space, and you can cook, clean, and organize. Removable pantry and wire shelves keep everything neat. It packs into a carry bag, making transport easy. This is perfect for families who want comfort and efficiency while camping. 13. Firemaple Frost Mini. Firemaple Frost Mini is a perfect option to lightweight campers. Weighing a mere 186 grams, it will not weigh you down. Its nesting pot and pan design maximizes storage efficiency. Pot 500 milliliters and fry pan 300 milliliters are suitable to cook noodles or eggs. It can fit gas canisters, and thus you can cook anywhere. It is compact and warms fast and uniformly. This set is perfect for solo travelers and minimalistic hikers who want a light, compact, and efficient cooking set. 12. Owkar Portable Vacuum Sealer. The Owkar Portable Vacuum Sealer is ideal for outdoor food storage. Its single-button operation makes it easy to seal food. This extends shelf life by 6 times, ideal for camping. The clear water tank is safe and easy to clean. It includes 32 reusable food bags, promoting sustainability. It has a USB-C rechargeable battery for 100 seals per charge. It's lightweight and wireless to take with you. It's ideal for campers seeking fresh food and reduced waste. 11. Firemaple Petrel Quickboil Pro. The Firemaple Petrel Quickboil Pro is built for fast and efficient cooking. It's lightweight and ideal for hiking. It has a heat-proof handle for safety. It works with several Firemaple stoves. It's rugged and withstands harsh conditions. It boils water and cooks food rapidly. It's suitable for camping and hiking trips. Perfect for those who need a fast, safe, and lightweight cooking solution. 10. MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit is your one-stop shop for cooking. This kit includes non-stick pot and frying pan, bowls, utensils, and cleaning brushes. The set is composed of anodized aluminum that heats up evenly. The set is lightweight and foldable, thus easy to pack. It is easily stored and cleaned and is ideal to use in camping. You won't forget any kitchen essentials. It's suitable for novice and seasoned campers alike and combines convenience, sturdiness, and full meal preparation. 9. Ivation Portable Cooler Bag. The Ivation Portable Cooler Bag keeps your food cold without ice. It cools it down to lower temperatures than ambient using thermoelectric cooling. It attaches to a 12-volt car socket, making it convenient on trips to the highway. The 15-liter capacity holds beverages, meals, and needs. It is portable, as it is lightweight and has a soft design. The insulation prevents overheating even when unplugged. It is convenient with more compartments and straps. It is an ideal cooler that allows the campers to have fresh food and drinks anywhere without the inconvenience of ice. 8. Roto-Q360 Rotisserie. The Roto-Q360 Rotisseries take the restaurant-style cooking to the outdoors. It is stainless steel, which makes it hard to break, and it is simple to wash. The wind-up motor implies the absence of batteries or electricity. It has a capacity of 5 pounds of food, ideal with chicken or meat. Its smaller and foldable size allows it to be carried out. Its high flexibility suits with grills, ovens, and fire pits. The tool is ideal to campers who enjoy slow and juicy food cooked without much effort. 7. Daylodge Workspace Camp Kitchen. The Daylodge Workspace Camp Kitchen is a portable prep station. It unfolds into a table with storage panels for utensils and bottles. The built-in cutting board makes meal prep easy. It can be used on tables or mounted to a vehicle. Constructed out of sturdy nylon, it is suitable to the outdoors. The gear is sorted with several compartments. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for quick setups. It is most suitable to the campers who wish to have a small, neat, and portable cooking area. 6. Firemaple Sunflower NSEX Heater heater and stove. The Firemaple Sunflower X combines a heater and stove in one device. It delivers 2.5 kilowatts heat output, perfect for cold weather. The infrared technology guarantees quick and efficient heating. The flame is held in place outdoor with windproof panels. Weighing less, it folds down to fit in the bag. It's lightweight, folding into a compact size for travel. The adjustable flame allows both cooking and heating control. It is user-friendly because of an easy installation. It is ideal to the campers who desire to have warmth and the ability to cook in a single portable device. 5. Vevor Outdoor Oven. The Vevor Outdoor Oven allows you to bake like a pro outside. It cooks the pizza within 90 seconds, reaching 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. It favors the use of gas and wood pellets, which provide versatile fuel choices. Its insulated design results in even heat and efficiency. It is portable and easy to transport with foldable legs. It goes well with pizzas, meats, and vegetables. This oven is targeted at campers who would like to have high-performance cooking with restaurant-quality food in the wild. 4. GSI Outdoors Selkirk 5 4.0 Plus Stove. The GSI Outdoors Selkirk 5 4.0 Plus is a powerful 2-burner stove. Each burner delivers 14,000 BTU, giving strong cooking performance. The individual controls allow precise heat adjustment. Built with steel and wind protection, it works well in tough weather. It supports multiple pots, making it great for group cooking. Easy ignition and cleanup add convenience. This stove is perfect for campers who need reliable, high-output cooking for family meals. 3. Kelty Camp Galley Deluxe. The Kelty Camp Galley Deluxe keeps your kitchen organized and ready. It features multiple pockets for tools, spices, and gear. You can hang it from a tree or vehicle for easy access. It even has a trash pocket to leave no trace. It is produced made with environmentally friendly materials and promotes sustainable camping. Small and portable, it makes meal preparation easier. This will suit well even to the campers who prefer organization, cleanliness, and efficiency in their outdoor kitchen. 2. Drip Easy BBQ Blanket and Tub Set. The Drip Easy BBQ Blanket and Tub Set is a multi-use prep and resting system. The tray works as a cutting board and collapsible tub for marinating or seasoning. The insulated blanket keeps meat warm while resting. It's large enough for brisket or even a turkey. After use, the tub folds down for easy storage. It keeps your workspace clean and organized. This is ideal for BBQ lovers who want better flavor, less mess, and efficient food handling. 1. Kelty Chef Roll. The Kelty Chef Roll is an easy-to-store and portable utensil carrier. It has 4 zipper pockets of knives, tools, and spices. It can be hung or laid flat so as to be accessible. Its roll-up design makes it packable. It is lightweight and sturdy, which makes it easy to carry around. It holds your cooking utensils in place and secure. It is light and strong and is ideal when traveling. It holds your cooking tools and the gear in order. This is great for campers who want easy access to tools without clutter.